The coastlines of the Channel Islands host an impressive range of wildlife. But to have a successful ecosystem, you first need something at the base of the food chain. On land we have plants, and in the sea it's generally plankton and algae. But the shallow waters around our islands also host a very special plant. These are seagrasses, and here specifically eelgrass, and while most producers are a source of food for animals, eelgrass provides a place to live for many species, with its long blades slowing down the current, producing sheltered nurseries for young fish and strengthening the seabed for animals that live on the sand. Also, it's a plant, so unlike seaweeds, it builds extensive root systems which enrich the seabed with the oxygen that they produce via photosynthesis, making it ideal for animals that burrow in the sand like razor clams and ragworms. Small creatures like these provide food for bigger animals like seabirds, with oyster catchers and turnstones using their strong beaks to eat what can't hide before the tide goes out. And even birds from further inland take advantage of the abundant food. As do we, fishing and harvesting the oysters, scallops and ormers which form part of the wider ecosystem. Bigger fish like wrasse or pollock also use these habitats to look for food, and cuttlefish sometimes come to lay their eggs on the seagrass blades. Populations of larger fish are kept in check by cormorants and gannets that travel from their colony in Alderney. But the fish also support apex predators of these ecosystems, bottlenose dolphins and grey seals. Unfortunately, the UK may have lost up to 90% of its seagrass over the last century, and the habitats around the Channel Islands show us just how important they are. But with ongoing work to understand and protect these ecosystems, hopefully we can live around them sustainably and continue to see them thrive in the future.